Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 237. The title of today's lesson is Many Uses of the Verb Phrase Go Down Part 1. Yeah, this is actually going to be broken into three parts because the video would probably end up being too long. But it's amazing to know how many uses. Like, there are some verb phrases that can have a it almost seems unlimited. Not really unlimited, but this one will probably have at least about 15 or 16 different uses of go down. So let's take a look and we can compare them. All right, let's look at the first example. Number one is where go down means to move along a long road, street, alley, etc. to get someplace. All right, this is a simple one. A lot of you might know this, but there are more that you probably won't know. But again, it's good to compare. Here's the first example. Let's go down this street to see if we can find a convenience stores. Yeah, so really we say go down, but it could be almost in any direction. As long as you're going straight, we say that you're going down. Let's go down the street. All right, let's look at number two. To travel or visit another place, city, state, etc. Especially when the direction is south. Yeah, we often say that we go down south, we go up north. So if it was in the U.S. and you were going from Florida to New York, you're saying that you're going, let's go up north. And what we say, let's go down south. All right, so let's look at the example. Let's go down to Florida, where the weather is warmer for our winter vacation. So we always say that we're going down, especially traveling to another city or to another state, especially when the direction is south. Okay. Let's look at example number three. If an amount, price, or level goes down, it decreases, becomes less. The price of Bitcoin has recently gone down. Yeah, so the price of the value of a stock is going down, means again the price is getting less and less. Or that company's profits have been going down for a while now. Yeah, the amount of money you make, or the amount of money that company's taking in is going down. It's getting worse. Okay, let's look at number four. If a sport team or competitor goes down, they are defeated. Muhammad Ali used to intimidate his opponents by telling them, "You're going down." Yeah, boxers used to often do that. Sometimes they'll say words. Maybe it's part of the show, too. I think wrestlers do this as well. So remember, Muhammad Ali used to be a very famous boxer years ago. He was a heavyweight champion for a long time. And he was one especially who used to like to do this. He used to like to say a lot of things, to his opponents, just maybe to psych them out, we might say, so that they will be scared or, work on them mentally, basically. So that's what we mean by to intimidate, to make them a little afraid, lose confidence. His opponents by telling them, "You're going down." Yes. So if somebody went down in this sense, it means they got defeated. Okay, good. Let's look at the last one for this lesson. It could mean that quality is getting worse. So you could say that company tried to save on their expenses by using cheaper materials, but unfortunately the workmanship is going down. Or you could have just even simply said the quality is going down here, meaning it's not as good. These products are not as good as they used to. They used to make better products, but they tried to cut costs. Maybe the materials were going up in price. They didn't want to raise the price. They decided to do it this way, but now people, they don't like the product that they're getting. So you say the quality of their products is going down, or the workmanship is going down. Okay, good. Well, that's it for part one. I hope you got it. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.